Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Nahian and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, we learn how to make a website for clinic or hospital or doctors. So we will try to make a multi-page website. So if you just follow this tutorial, hopefully we'll make a awesome and attractive website without any coding. And in this project we use all free resources like free themes, free plugins, and etc. So we don't need to buy anything or spend any single penny. So before we start, first check our demo site. So this is our demo site example. So we have a top bar. At the left side we have email address and address. At the right side phone number, and we have a common logo part, dummy logo. And at the right side we have a menu, home page, about page, services page, departments, and with a drop down menu, doctors and contact. Then we have a banner part like subheading, heading, few description, and a button. Then after this we have a about a section. At the left side we have a image, at the right side title, few description, and we have a this list part and read more button. Then we have our services section. We have 6 services with icon, title, and few description. Then we have a counter section. At the left side we have a few text, and right side we have counters. Then we have white chose as section, so we make like this. Then we have a doctors part, so experience doctor. So here we show only 4 doctors, and all doctors show in doctors page. Then we have a client reviews part, so if the left side we show client review. And then we have our achievements, because as a hospital they own berry trophy, so we can just say here show logo part. And finally we have our footer part. We make a footer like this and our copy text. Then we have a about page. Click about. So first we have breadcrumb part, and as usual our top bar and menu and logo same. Then we have a about us section. At the left side we have about us few box with mission, vision, history. Right side we have few images. Then we have call to action as like as home page. Then our achievements and footer part. After this we have a services page. So service is same as like top bar and header section. Then we have breadcrumb, and we have make a section like this. Then we have our services part, and then we have white chose section like home page and achievements, and finally footer part. Then we have departments. If you click on departments menu, we will show all departments like child care, personal care, CT scan, and remove button. And under this we have all items. Like if you click this item, and it shows details. That means single department page. So here few department image, few description and features. At the right side time schedule like they have Monday to Friday, Saturday. Then we have a gallery part. Click on this part, we will show pop-up image. As I said, forward this page same, just will be content will be changed like this. Then we have a join replacement like this. I just use dummy content. You will change later as you wish. Then we have a personal care part. Personal care this part. Then we have a child care part. Okay. Then we have doctor section. So in doctor space we will show all doctors. So here currently I show 8 doctors with their image, name, and social icons. And finally we have a contact page. If you contact, we have breadcrumb part. Left side address, email, phone, mobile number, and the right side we have form part. And we have a Google map, and then finally as like a footer part. And finally we make this site fully responsive for tablet and mobile. So basically this is our overview part. In from next part we'll start to make our full site from scratch, step by step with free resource. So let's start. So for started work, I already installed a free WordPress version in my server like this nahian.com/hospital, and this is fully blank, nothing else I already used. So first I go to settings, and from general first to change our name. Like site title we can write here like our name hospital, and slogan like your health care solution. Okay, fine. And then everything same, we can change time zone. So currently I have in Asia, so I chose UTC plus 6 as my time zone. Okay, and click on save changes. Then go to permalinks part. So here structure, post name and save changes. Then go to appearance bar themes. So for this part we will use Hello Elementor free theme. So you could just search a hello or you will find this here. So Hello Elementor, just this, install this part. So click on install, it takes few times and install. Okay, click on activate. Okay, our theme part done. So it's called we need must install Elementor. So you go to themes, sorry, plugins to add new. So first we search Elementor and search here Elementor plugin and click here install now. And also we need essential add-ons for Elementor, so we also use this plugin. So click now, install now. Okay, click on install. First click our Elementor, activate. Okay, we can just cross this sign, we don't need any settings. Then we need other plugins, final plugin, which is called WP Forms, and search here and click install now. Also we need another one plugin which is for our Elementor header footer builder, that's the common header folder. Okay, we can again go to Elementor plugins, add new, and search here Elementor header. That's enough. Elementor header footer builder. Okay, just click on install now and click on activate. That's fine. Go to plugins, install plugin. So we need Elementor is activated. Essential add-ons for Elementor, also click on activate, and we can choose here next, and we can view all. We need plugin everything. For now we can just go to here WP Forms, this one. Okay, click next, and here next and next, and finally next. No thanks. That's fine. So our settings part done. So if you check our preview part, build site, so this is our mainly overview part and our all themes and plugin install. So now we first create our header part and common footer part. So let's start. In this part we will make our common header and footer. If you check our demo site, so in header part is top bar and this part is common for every page, and for footer this our achievements and footer and copied part is common for every page. Okay, fine. So first we go to our dashboard, appearance to Elementor header filter builder. Okay, and click here add new, and just write here header. Select option header and type of template display on full site. So enter message, click on publish. We can remove this message. Okay, edit with Elementor. So first we set our common settings. So click this sign, go to site settings and global colors. So our primary colors, I just copy this color code. So our primary colors will be this color. Okay, secondary color like #333, text color like #333, accent color like #333. Okay, back is by global fonts. So global fonts we can choose our Poppins font. So just Poppins font family. Then secondary we can choose Poppins. Then text also we use only one font, that's means Poppins font. Okay, and for accent we also use Poppins. That's fine. And update and back to editor. So first we need this top bar. Okay, so first we sign plus sign and two columns. Okay, go to style part and background type and choose color primary color. That's fine. And go to this icon and we can choose our list icon. So search here list icon list and paste here, and we can use inline. Okay, so this is our email. So copy from here and click here. We can just write email and change icon to like envelope. Okay, fine. And for next part, we can use this phone number, sorry, address. So we can just copy this icon, text, and paste here. Change icon to for envelope, sorry, map icon. So we can choose this icon. And go to style part, we can choose divider on, then alignment space between like 20 pixel. Icon, so icon color we can change to white color, and text we can choose text color to white color. Okay, and font family everything remains same, no problem. Font size we can choose like 16 is okay. And at the right side we can drag a heading part, okay, and change HTML tag to p tag. So from here we can copy this text from here and paste here. Go to style part and change color to white color. And alignment we can choose content alignment right, okay. And parent section we can choose layout vertical align middle. Okay, fine. If you check here, and we can use some padding like top 10, bottom 10. That's fine. Click on update and click I sign for preview part. So our this part is done. Now our next part is our menu part. So before we start, we need to create all pages and set menu. Also for footer we have two menu. This is our main menu and this is our department page. Okay, fine. So go to here our from here we can go to our dashboard, and from pages we can create all pages. So we can remove those pages, we don't need this. Click on apply and delete. Okay, so first we create one by one. Home page, home, about, service, department. So just write here home, publish. Okay, then we can refresh the page. Okay, show here. So I just click few add new, so we can work more easier. So our next page like about. So just paste about and click publish. Then our new services, publish. Then departments, click publish. Then we need doctors, click publish. Then we need contact, click publish. Okay, and then we need just click here departments and copy this page name from here. So first we need this page and click here publish. And then personal care, click here and publish. Then we need CT scan, paste and publish. Then we join replacement and publish. So we need another two pages. So from here just refresh the pages. So all will show here. Another two page need. So first one this page and paste here and publish. And finally this page. Okay, go to publish. So all pages created done. If you refresh the page, yes, all done. So one thing we need to set. So from dashboard go to settings to reading. So from reading we can choose static page, select home. Home page is our main page, that's fine. Now go to page to appearance. So we need two menu. So first create here like main menu and location header. Okay, create menu and view all. So first home, about, childcare, contact, CT scan, department, doctor, everything we need, services. Okay, click add to. So home, about, then we have services. So drag and drop here. Then we need departments. So departments, then we can just like here for now this one, just drop down menu for and dots, so this page and replacement and personal care. One page missing, that's contact page. Yes, okay, fine. So main menu done. Click on save menu. Okay, so create a new menu. We can just write here footer and location footer menu, create menu. So all pages we can create here, like most recent these pages. For quick now 6 pages, and click now and click here publish, save menu. So you can easily rearrange as you wish, so no problem here. So just click this part, go to here, so we can choose here dashboard. So from here we can appearance to this yes, header part. Okay, so first refresh the part and click plus icon, and we can choose T column. So already now we need an image, and I already upload all images necessary for this project. So here uploaded. So this is our logo part. So click here and alignment right. Then we need a menu. Just search for menu widget. So this is our navigation menu. This is a header footer. So just paste here and select our main menu. So from section parent we can choose vertical and middle. So menu, click here and we can choose layout, right side. Okay, style, we can choose space between 15, and we can remove this part like 0, and here we can like 35. Okay, if you check here, yes, nicely we can increase more, like 40 is I think okay now. Now hover color, we can choose hover color to our primary color. Okay, and active color we can choose our primary color, and this is for drop down settings we can choose drop down color. If we here it is default, okay, no problem, it is perfect. And here everything we can increase some size like 280. So we have enough space from here. And from content layout we can choose here layout menu, sub menu icon, plus sign. Okay, plus sign, open sub menu, and sub menu animation slide up. Yes, this one. So click on update and click on I for preview changes. Okay, fine, I think that is perfectly okay now. If you check our demo site, yes. Now our header part is done. Now go to our Elementor header footer builder again. So now we need to create another part which is called footer. So just write here footer and select option footer part, select entire website and click publish. Create Elementor header footer builder. Just click on edit with Elementor. So footer, if you check, so we have our achievements part and this part. Okay, edit with Elementor. So first click sign it plus icon and we can choose this one. So go to style part, we can choose background color like has F4 F4 F4. Okay, fine. Advanced we can choose padding like top 60 pixel, bottom 60 pixel. From layout we can choose vertical and middle. So we can choose this text from here, add a heading part and paste this line. So go to style part, typography we can choose for 22 and increase size like 50 and line height 60. If you check here, okay, fine, and we can change our font weight like 700. I think it's okay. We can like 45. Yes, Then we need a divider part, so just paste this divider and go to style content. We can choose like 30%, okay, and width like 2 pixel, height and color change to our primary color, gap 0. If you check, yes, we can just style here like 20, I think, okay, yes. Now we need inner section, so just inner section here. So we need 4 columns, so just duplicate this part and duplicate. So we can add a image part. So first choose image, so our image will be like this one, so we can choose first this one. So from, if you check the style part, they have a border, okay. So this parent icon, sorry, click this pencil icon, go to advanced, style, border type solid, sorry, border sorry, not we can this undo this, we can pencil or image, advanced, border, here advanced to here solid, yes. Now we can choose 1 pixel our primary color. So we can just copy this part and here paste, again paste, paste and duplicate this part. Now we can now just change to our image part. So here just click here, our second image will be like this one, third image this one, fourth image this, our fifth image, sixth image, we can choose this one, already have, so we can choose just repeat image, so here this one and here 4, and finally for this one, okay. And for equal height, so we can go to style and height like 120 or decrease more, I think 90 is okay. So just copy and paste style, so all image equal height will be same, or we can use more big image, okay, fine. So this part is done, so click on update and click preview changes, nice. Then we have footer part with 4 columns, so go to Elementor and here we can choose 4 columns, and here is a background color. If you choose background, which color they use, so inspect here and copy this color code, okay. And we can choose style, background color this color, advanced, 60 top, 60 bottom. Then we can choose the image part, this image, alignment left, then this text copy from here, so we can add a heading part, change to p tag, alignment left, paste here, style, change color to white color, okay. Typography, we can font weight 400, okay, font size like 14 pixel, and line height this one. And finally we have social icons, so for social icons we can use these icons, social icons, okay, alignment left. So we can use different image, another one, so we can use like Instagram, and here we can use center, I think center will be more okay, yes. Go to style part, style and size like 22, okay, and spacing, okay, fine, I think that's okay. And click on update Now we need another heading part. Just write here like quick links, and go to style part, change color to white color. Okay, go to font size, we can choose like 22. Okay, and we need a divider, so we can just search for divider part and paste here. Okay, we can like 20%. Go to solid style, color to primary color, and spacing 0. Okay, fine. Then we need a menu part, so just search for menu. So we can use again this menu, and divider, drag to top. Okay, fine. Click this menu, footer menu, that's fine. Go to layout, we can choose layout to vertical. Okay, so sorry, this menu will be our main menu. Okay, go to style part, color change to white color, and here hover color we can change to our primary color. Okay, fine. And active color we can choose to a white color. Okay, then go to here drop down options. Okay, fine. And main menu we can choose vertical align 10 to 12 and horizontal padding 0. So this part is done. So we can duplicate this column 2 times, 3 times. So remove this column and remove this part. Okay, so here departments, so just click here departments and click here menu, change to our footer menu. That's fine. Now here is our get in touch part, so copy here, here text and change. So for here we can use list icon list, so just paste here and remove this part. So our first will be this address, and here we can click this, change to icon like map marker icon, so you can choose map. Then our email, paste here, search for envelope, then our phone number and mobile number, search for phone and copy this part, search for mobile icon. Okay, go to style part, go to 10, spacing 15, icon we can choose icon color to white color, text color change to white color. Okay, that's fine. We can decrease this column size like this and increase this column size. Now this look more nice. Click on update and check. Yes, that's perfectly nice. And finally we have footer part. So for this we can add a column. For background color we can copy from color here, just I drop here, this color, copy, and style we can choose classic to this color. That's fine. And here we can just search for copy, and here copyright, so just paste here. Okay, alignment center, color change to white color. I think that is perfectly nice. Go to section to advanced, padding top 10, bottom 10. Click on update. Okay, so this part is properly done. So our header footer is perfectly done now. If you check here, yes, our header part is perfectly done, footer done. So from next part we will start our making home page. So let's start. In this part we'll make our home page. So go to our dashboard and from pages and click our home page, click on edit, this page, edit page, and then edit with Elementor. So first we need this part, with banner part with background image, this text. Okay, first we copy this text from here. So from settings part we can choose page layout to Elementor full width. Okay, so plus click sign, one column, then go to style part, background type, and select image. So already upload image, so we can choose maybe banner image. If we search here which image we can use, if we check our demo site, okay, this image, okay, this image, yes. Then we can choose position, center, display size, cover. Then we could background overlay, we can choose classic, color to primary color. Then opacity we can choose 0.85 or 0.9. Okay, fine. Go to advanced and add padding, top like 200 or 160, bottom 220, and go to style part, and we can choose here shape divider, bottom, mountains. That's fine. And here we can choose the heading part, so just paste this text and paste here. So go to style part, change color to white color, font size like 22 pixel, font weight 500, transform capitalize. Duplicate this part, then we need this text, so copy from here, click here and paste. We can just write break tag. Okay, fine. Go to style, then we can choose font weight 700, line height like 50 pixel or 60. Okay, line height like 60, or increase some. If we check, yes, that's fine. We can increase more like 80 pixel, and here we can choose 80. I think to bigger we can choose 70. Yes, I think 75 line height. To pixel, increase more like 80. Okay, fine. Then we need this text, copy from here, add text editor and paste here. So after trust, okay, break, go to style part, we can choose color to white color, increase font size like 30 pixel. Okay, fine, that's perfect. And finally we need a button, so we can choose this button from here, change text to like read mode, go to our style part, we can choose our background color to our primary color, and hover we can choose background color to our secondary color. That's perfect. And here padding we can choose top bottom 15, top bottom 15, left right like 40. Okay, fine. And here anything else? I think that's okay. So it will be about us. No problem. This text is okay, fine. And here from section we can adjust padding like top 120 and bottom 250. Okay, click on update and click preview changes. So I think our banner part is done now. Now our second part, this about section. So after this we can add plus icon and we can choose equal column, then go to advanced and we choose padding top 80, bottom 80, and from layout we can choose vertical and middle. So first we need a image, so just drag and drop image, change image to we can use which image, our this image. Okay, that's fine. Now we can choose copy from text from here and add a text with heading widget and paste this text. Okay, go to style part, font weight to 700, and then line height 30 to increase, like 50 on line height, like 60, and we can decrease this column size. Okay, and now we can increase more, like 55, line height 65. Then this text copy from here, so we can add text editor, paste here, go to style, and typography we can choose 22 pixel. I think that's okay, or increase some more, 22, 22. Okay, fine. And then we can need inner widget, so inner section, just drag and drop here and search for list icon. So search here list. So first item we can adjust, so our icon will be search for user. We can use this doctor icon, and text will be this icon. Okay, and duplicate 2, 3. And design part, go to here style, first we space like 20, divider on. Okay, fine, and copy this part and paste here. Okay, and check here, we can increase some font size. We can go to text and typography, like 18 pixel, and we can don't need it. Okay, just copy style and paste style. Okay, and finally we need a button part, so we can copy this button from here and paste here. Button maybe after this section, yes, and from here top advanced like 30. Click on update and check here, so our banner section done, our about section done, and we can change text easily by no problem. Now our next part is our services. So here we show section title and 3 box. So from here we can just click section, first full column, and then go to style part. We can choose background color like hash F4 F4 F4. Okay, from advanced padding top like 80, bottom 80, and then we can add inner section. So we need 2 inner section, just duplicate this part, and from here we can search here like dual color heading, dual or color heading, yes, dual color heading, and just drag and drop here. So remove next column, and from select here we can choose here icon on top. Okay, and from here we can choose this text. So icon we can user icon, that means doctor icon. So here and insert, just write here our services, that's fine. Text to be in this text. Go to style part, and here we can icon style, we can choose primary color. Okay, icon size some reduce like 30. Color typography we can choose this color to our primary color. Okay, everything same, and here we can choose font weight like 500. Subheading style we can choose Poppins and 500. Okay, if you check here, yes, and check color to our text color. Okay, fine. So this part done. Now we need to this part. So for this we can add icon box, icon, and paste here. So first we done one for cardiology, our text. So you can search for heart icon, heart. So this icon, and paste here, and our text will be this one. So paste this text. Okay, so go to advanced part, then go to our style part. First go to advanced, this advanced background, and change color to white color. Okay, and from padding we can choose like 20 pixel. Okay, fine. And go to style part, we can spacing 10, size we can choose 35, size 6. Okay, go to content, and typography we can font is same. Okay, no problem, text same. Okay, so copy this part and paste here, and duplicate this column, and then duplicate this section here. Okay, and here at the advanced part we can go to style, border, this column, advanced, we can choose border, and here we can choose border solid, only need bottom 2 pixel, and color will be our primary color. That's fine. Copy style and paste style here, paste style, paste style, paste style, and paste style. And here dental care, we can change here dental care icon. So search for teeth, so we can choose this icon, and then we have genealogy, so we can search for heart again, and we can use heart or line. For now we can use this icon for faster work. Then predictors, click here, we can for smile, then we have neurology, again heart icon, we can choose which icon, it will be brain, this icon, yes. And finally we have cardiology, choose for again heart, we can use this icon. Okay, click on update. So about part, then services part, and finally this done. Now we want to make this counter section. So we have background image and these 2 columns. So let's start. So after services part we add 2 columns, then from here vertical align middle, then style part we can choose background image. So for this image we can use which image, this image, yes. Okay, select position center, then we can choose display size cover, background overlay we can choose here primary color, and here we can opacity 0.9, and from advanced part we can choose padding top 80, padding bottom 80. So first test this one, so copy this from here, column, just paste here, go to style part and choose color to white color, and here we can choose after the best, then we can add a break tag. Okay, go to style part, and here we can choose font size like 22, 36, and line height like 42. Then this text, so we can add a text editor, and here paste, copy style, change color to white color. Okay, and need a button, so we can copy this button from here and paste. So we don't need this margin top, so remove this margin top, and here contact us. So change text to contacts. Okay, fine. Then we need this part, so here we can add inner section. Okay, and from column we can choose background color white color. Okay, we can search for counter and drag and drop here. Okay, and need an icon, so we can search for icon. Just search here this widget and just paste here. So our first will be award or trophy, this icon. Then years of operation 20 plus, so here just write 20 here plus, and just here this one. So first we this design adjust, go to style, size like 20 pixel, 25, and for this part go to style part, and here we can font size like we can 50 pixel. Okay, font weight 700, and years of operations, so we can just like 22 pixel, and font weight like 500. Okay, fine. And we can duplicate this column, remove this one, and here we have border. So for this column style, then border we can solid, border solid, unlink this value, margin right, sorry only right value, and change color to like #D. If you hide this panel, okay, this one done. So we can just duplicate this section. Okay, and this section we can go to style part and border solid, and unlink this value and need only top. If you hide this panel, okay, done. But we need to change this color to like #D. Boom, that's perfect. Now then we have awards. Here click here, 20 plus 10 awards. Okay, so we can just 10 here and don't need any suffix. Then this award we can change, click here, search for awards, this icon, then specialist 50. So here we can choose like user, we can choose users, this icon, and here 50. And finally we have passion recovered. We can search for smile icon. Click here and passion recovered, suppose 1000 plus. Okay, and here we can just reduce some font size, currently 50, we can reduce to like 40. Yes, so copy style and paste here, style and paste style, paste style. Now this part is done. Click on update. If you check here, yes, nice, done. Now our next part, why chose us. Okay, and this part, so as click on this section plus icon, one section, then go to advanced part, we can padding top 80, bottom 80, and then we need to add inner section and duplicate this section to part. So already we have this section title, so copy from here and just paste here. Okay, so remove this column from here, and here we have why chose us. So just click here, why chose us. Perfect. Now we need 3 equal column, so just duplicate this part. At the middle side we need an image, so just here image, and search for image, we can use this image. Yes, and this image bottom, border type solid, so we can choose only border bottom like 3 pixel and primary color. Okay, and here we need this facilities part, so search for facility feature list. Yes, and here our right side indicators connector, yes, show on. And first we have emergency service, and here this text, okay, fine. And from here we can choose to icon to like user, that means doctor icon, this icon. So we can remove 2 column, just duplicate. So one thing, we have to change titles icon style. Okay, icon background, we can choose our primary color, okay, and remain same. And now we can duplicate 2, 3. Go to style part, space between, we can change to like 15 is okay. Classic, solid, okay. Character type, then icon, we can reduce some size like 60, okay. Padding same, spacing we can increase 15, okay. Go to content, and here color we can change to primary color. Typography we can choose like 22 pixel, 22 is okay. And here we need spaces, title bottom space like 5 pixel. And from list we can space between more. If you check here, more, okay. And this section we can choose layout, vertical align, middle, okay. So copy this part and paste here. For only here we can choose alignment left. So here we can this column reduce some size. Yes, now it's perfectly okay. I think we can increase some more. Okay, that's perfect. Click on update, and here services I chose us, okay, done. Now we have experience doctor part. So here we can just plus icon, you have a background color, okay. First need inner section, and then go to style part, we can choose color like hash, F4, F4, F4. Then go to advanced part, we can choose padding, top 80, bottom 80. Now we can copy this part. Now we need inner section, duplicate this part and paste. And here experienced doctors, okay. And we can duplicate this column 4 times and search for team widget. So search for team member, okay. And here we can choose here, we don't need first image, team member, this one, okay. And team member control, we don't need any description here. And go to style part, we can choose alignment center, and from here name we can sorry, from name here, from name, and content, just team member content, just name here, and here designation, okay, fine. And now go to our social profiles. Okay, we can don't Google Plus, we can choose like YouTube, and finally Instagram. Okay, and here we use just hash for now, only hash. And we can choose this column, this icon. Okay, now go to style part, simple style. Okay, enable discord overlay, everything. Okay, radius we can choose 20 pixel. Team member image style, okay, 100%. No avatar, border type, color typography, member name color we can choose here, text color typography we can choose 22 pixel. Okay, and here member job position we can choose text color, font weight like 500. Sorry, job position poppins. Okay, here also poppins. Fine. And finally we have social profile style, so we can choose color to our text color, and here icon size like 20 pixel, and here background color change to white color. Sorry, not this, we need overall member style, so here content background to white color. Yes, and here we also border from advanced we can choose border to our box shadow and change to color to 0.1. Okay, fine. Hide this panel. So this part is perfectly done, so we can copy from here and paste and paste and paste. So we can change image like this one, third image like this one, and fourth image this one. So you can just name change and designation social icon as you wish, no problem. So just click on update and just preview the pages. Yes, this part is done. And for home page we have last this portion, this is our client testimonials. So for here we can just click here, we can choose this column. From advanced we can choose pattern top 80, bottom 80, layout vertical align middle. And here already we do this part in here, so you can copy from this text from here and paste, change color to primary color. Paste this one, and here client reviews, and this text replace this. Okay, fine. Go to style part, text color. Okay, and we need icon, so search for icon, and here we can search for user. Alignment left, style like 25, 30, and client reviews we can choose like 30, and here we can choose layout middle. Okay, fine. And we need inner section, and check here we need testimonials, so search for testimonials, we can search this testimonial. So our client logo, so we can choose first one will be this one. For now we can use this one like this image. Okay, so we can go to style part then advanced, background type classic, we can choose like hash f4 f4 f4, that's fine. Go to padding part, we can choose padding like 15 pixel, okay. And go to style typography, we can choose our content like 15 pixel or 17 18, okay. And it's everything same, just copy this part and paste here and paste. Now duplicate this part, okay. We can just remove this one, and here we need a border, so here we can copy this here icon, advanced, and go to border, we can choose here border solid 1 pixel, color primary color. So copy here and paste style, paste style, paste style, click on update, and here testimonials, special doctors, okay, fine. And now we can just replace image, so our this image, this one, third image, and finally fourth image, okay. So click on update and preview changes. So our this part is perfectly done now, and if you check here, yes, and we can just increase just here design changes, just text transform to uppercase, font weight to 700, and size like 32 5, okay, that's perfect. Click on update, and here at the bottom, so our reviews part is perfectly done now. So our home page is perfectly okay now. From now, here is something problem spaces, so let's fix this first. So go to appearance, Elementor header footer builder, and edit with Elementor. Maybe this page if you check here at the parent, any margin is okay, here bottom 0, okay, fine, I think it's okay, okay. So from next part we'll start our making about page, service page, and other pages. So let's start. Now we need to make our home about us page, okay. So for this we go to our pages and click edit about page, and then edit with Elementor. If you check our design, we need a breadcrumb with background image and overlay, okay, fine. So from settings part, we can page layout to Elementor full width. Then we can choose one column. Then we can choose style, background type, we can choose background image, so we can use which image, this image. Position center, size cover, background overlay, we can choose classic to primary color, overlay like 0.9, okay, fine. Go to advanced, padding like top 60, bottom 60. Then we can add a heading, choose here like about us, alignment center, go to style, change color to white color, typography, font transform uppercase, font weight like 700, font size like 30 pixel, I think 40 is okay. And then we can choose here list icon list, inline. Then first choose our home, okay, remove this icon. Then here we can choose dot icon, dots, so we can choose this dot, and here last three we can choose here about us. Remove this icon, go to style part, alignment center, okay, and here second item we don't need any text, okay, fine. Go to style icon, change color to white color, then text, change color to white color. Okay, typography we can choose, typography you can choose font weight like 500, that's fine. Click on update, preview changes, yes, done. Now we need this part. So already this part is done in our home page and needs to this part. So for this we can choose two column, vertical align middle, and go to advanced, padding top like 80, bottom 80. So from home page we can copy this part and paste here. Okay, and here about us. Okay, just write here content about us, and here we can change our mission vision. Okay, so for this we can choose inner section, so just drag and drop inner section here and choose for icon box. So here we can choose our mission like for dummy awards, and here text, so we can choose style, so icon spacing like 10, like 30 pixel, 35. Go to content, font size like 30 pixel, 26, font weight like 700 or 600 is okay. And then go to our content part, so we can choose font size like 16 pixel or 14, 15 is okay I think. And here we can copy this part and paste here and duplicate this part. So from here this section we can choose style, border solid, only this value, border top 1 pixel, color change to hash triple D. Okay, height is panel. Okay, so for here we can choose padding top like 30, margin top like 30. Okay, and this from column we can go to style, border we can choose border solid, unlink this value we can choose 1, color hash triple D, copy style and here paste style, hide this panel. Okay, that's perfectly done. Now at the right side we need image, so we can just drag and drop image from here. We can search for about, we can about 1, about 2, this one. Okay, so go to style part, we can choose with 100%, and here we can choose border solid 2 pixel, we can color change to primary color, and border radius like 20 pixel. Okay, fine. Duplicate this column, sorry widget, and change image to our this image. Perfect. And we can just increase our this part so it will look more beautiful. Yes, so this part is done. Click on update and check here. Okay, perfect. Now for about next part, this part is already done in our home page, so from home page we can easily copy this section. So just right click, copy and paste here. Okay, then we need our achievement, it's already done, so our about page is perfectly done now. Great. Now our next page will be services page, so click on services. So this is our basic service page. So basically we need to done this part. Okay, so we can just about, we can just go to services, click on edit page and then edit with Elementor. So first we need to copy our this breadcrumb part, settings, and then default to Elementor canvas, Elementor full width. And here paste this part, change texts like our services. Okay, and this side we can write here our services. That's perfect. Now we have two columns. So from here, here we can plus icon, we can choose this icon, this design, advanced, top 80, bottom 80. So first here we can adjust the image. So we can choose this image. Okay, and for this column we can size, layout, vertical align, middle. So from here we can copy this line, heading. Okay, got a style part, typography, text transform, capitalize. Okay, copy this line, add a text editor. Okay, fine, and we can increase some size like 22, 20. Then and here we can increase some size like here 26 or 32, font weight 600. Then we need inner section, so just inner section here, and we can search for icon box. So here element left, got the style part, and choose content, vertical align, middle. Okay, fine. So our first will be emergency service. Click here, search for list. We can use this icon, text, and then this text. Got the style part, icon spacing 15, 20, size like 25, content, spacing. Then typography we can choose 22 pixel. Okay, fine, that's okay. Copy this part and paste here and just duplicate. So from here we can choose free consultation. Search for user, then qualified doctors, user, and finally modern technology. Search for like bulb icon, that's an idea meaning. So all this part done, and we can increase some this part. Okay, perfect. Then we need our services. So this part is, we can copy this section. So copy this from here and just paste. Okay, then we have why chose as section. So from here, home page, this section, copy and paste. So click on update, preview changes. So our breadcrumb part, services, section title, why chose us. Okay, that's perfectly done. So our service page is done now. So our next part will be department, doctor's contact. So let's start. So in this part we'll make our departments page. So department page have all departments like child care, personal care, CT scan, etc. And they are single details page. Okay, so first start. So I can remove Elementor, service, home. Okay, so from pages I can go to the services and edit page. Sorry, not services, it will be departments. Yes, and departments to edit with Elementor. First copy this breadcrumb settings. So we can choose Elementor full width. Just paste here, just write here departments, and from here breadcrumb departments. Okay, and here we can okay, don't link here. Okay, fine. Click on update and check preview changes. That's fine. Okay, then we need 3 box with the column and text. Okay, so from here class I can just choose 3 columns and settings, go to advanced, just padding margin top 80 pixel. Now we can choose here just image box. Okay, so first child here, so we can choose here our services. So department 1, this means department page, this text, and here this paragraph. Then we need a button part, so we can choose this button right here, read more, alignment center, style part, go to background color, primary color. Okay, then go to padding, top bottom 15, left right 40, and hover we can choose color to text color. So click here style, we can reduce size, weight 100%, and here we can choose border solid, we can choose border color primary 1 pixel 2 pixel. That's fine. Go to our content part, we can choose text transform, capitalize. Okay, fine. Now we can choose here style, column style, border, so only need our border solid, border right 1 pixel, color #D. So duplicate this column 1 2 3. So remove this column. So if you hide this panel, okay, but we don't need this part, so select this column and style, we can hide this our default. Okay, now second image, we can choose here this image, and text will be personal care. Then third image, and text will be like, for now just dummy purpose, CT scan. Duplicate this part. Okay, so we can choose here advanced, no margin, we can choose margin top 30, padding top 30, bottom 80, and here we can choose style, then border, so only solid, only border top 1 pixel, color #D. Okay, and choose this column. So for now we can just like this column, department 4, then department 5 will be why is 5, maybe missing or something happened. Okay, no problem, we can just use for now this image, and finally this image we can use one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe missing something or something happened. Okay, for now we can use this image for now. It is not big issue. And here we can just text here. Then this text. And finally this text. And we can just adjust our size here. So go to content, size currently like 26, I think 26. Okay, paste style, and paste style. So I think our department page okay, perfect. So we need, if you check our drop down pages, we need to create those pages. If you click any drop down pages here, and here border, yes, border is done. If you click any pages, you can check here, this is our single page. So for this we go to our pages, so we can just click here, just this page, edit with Elementor, and first we copy this breadcrumb part, settings, Elementor full width, and paste. So here we need add option, we can just duplicate and this duplicate and drag to here and just write here, sorry, this text. And here we can choose here contact form, okay, fine. And from here we can just write here a simple contact form, use template, and here first this and go to advanced, size medium, then change this text to only comment message, okay, done, and save button. Okay, refresh the page. So click column and we can choose this one. From advanced we can choose padding top 80, bottom 80. From layout we can choose vertical align middle. So from right side we can choose WP forms. So here we can just drag and drop here and select a form, contact form. Okay, so title we don't need here. Go to style part, and here input and text area we can use height, input height like 110 pixel, or increase more like 40 pixel, that's fine. Select column, style, choose color like color hash F4 F4 F4. Okay, go to advanced, select padding like left 50, right 50, that's fine. So this part done, and here we can choose here icon box, okay. So from here first check left align, go to style part, we can choose content vertical align middle, go to column, then here advanced part, check background color, we can choose background color to our primary color, and from layout we can choose padding like 15 pixel. Click here content, we can choose for map icon, select insert. Okay, so our address was this one, click here, just write here address. So first complete our design part, go to style, color to white color, okay, and content color change to white color, description color to white color, that's fine. And now spacing we can 5 pixel 10. For icon we can choose font icon like 25 pixel, sorry, 25 pixel, okay, 25 to 30, yes. Go to content part, typography we can choose font transform uppercase, font size 22 pixel, and then we have typography part, we can font weight 500, that's fine. Just duplicate this part 2 3 4, okay. Then we have font envelope, that means email icon envelope, we can copy this text right here email, then our phone number, we can search for font icon, right for font, and finally we can use this for mobile icon, insert mobile. Okay, click on update, and finally we need here Google Map, so one column, and from section title we can choose for maps, Google Maps, and drag and drop here. You can write here address, so we can just write here this address if anyone, just Michigan. Okay, just write here Michigan and automatic show here, that's fine. Go to setting, layout to full width, stretch, and go to here column and advanced padding 0, that's fine. Click on update and check here, so our contact page is perfectly done now. And one thing, we can go to here section column gaps to wider, so here is a gap will be more. So refresh the page, so this page done. So our all page making done. So our final part is make responsive and check tablet and mobile for every pages. So let's start. In this part we will make our full site responsive and checking for mobile and tablet device. So let's start. So first we go to appearance to Elementor header footer. First we check header part, tablet and mobile version. So first edit this page. So from here responsive mode, so first check tablet, so tablet look like this. Okay, click here and we can layout, we can write here. Okay, and responsive breakpoint we can write alignment, that's fine. Click here and here we need space here, so go to style and here we can horizontal padding increase more like 15 as perfect. Click on and preview changes. So here is okay, nothing is changed, so this part done, and I think this is okay. And here after this we can create our mobile is remaining, I forget about this. This page, and also open our footer part too. So again responsive mode and check mobile version. Okay, fine, and click this here, we can style, we can choose center align, that's fine. For mobile part again center align. For logo we can choose center align, and this part layout and we can choose this align, center align. Click on update. If you check tablet, mobile, okay, fine. And if you desktop version, it's almost same. So our header part done, footer part. So responsive mode, go to first tablet device, and we can just reduce our font size. So currently 45, we can 35 or 30. Okay, this part we can choose column size like 50%. This column we can choose 50%, this column we can choose 50%, and this column 50%. This look perfect. And here we don't need this part, so we can just click here menu, go to layout, and here we can breakpoint, just click on none. So we don't need any breakpoint. Same part, click here layout, breakpoint we can none. So this part is done. Go to now mobile part. If you check here top to mobile, it seems okay, perfectly done. So click on update, so our header footer is done. If you click on home page and footer part, it's perfect. Now go to our pages. So first one by one serially, so go to our about page. First we check our responsive mode to tablet, header done. About this part Okay, I think that's okay, nice. This part is here. We can just reduce our font size like 25. Okay, 6, yes, nice. And here we can choose here style. Currently 40, we need title, so currently font size 20, we can like 12 pixel. Something wrong here. Style, click on update, refresh. Responsive mode, tablet. Okay, so here style, title, so currently here 2 pixel, we can increase more, 12, 14. Okay, copy style, paste style, paste style. I think it's okay now. And this part, okay, nice. Go to now mobile version. Mobile is okay, perfect. So our about page perfectly okay. Update and remove this page. Now this page I can open, sorry, so number one, so first we need to first services page, services edit with Elementor. So click here responsive mode, go to tablet and check here it's okay. I think one thing, we can just this column change to like 100%. Okay, and this column change to 100%. Okay, now this okay. Go to advanced, we can choose margin top like 50 pixels. Okay, fine. Services, it seems okay. This part is okay and this okay. Go to mobile part. I think this is okay, perfectly okay. Click on update. Then we can choose our home page. So for home page, go to responsive mode, first go tablet. So first here we can remove this size. Style, currently is 70 pixel, we can choose 50. Okay, fine. Line height, we can choose 60. That's perfect. Here I think we can reduce this font size. Currently it is 55, we can choose 35. Line height 40, sorry, pixel. And it's okay, it's perfect, it's perfect. We can click here and reduce font size. So currently it was 36, we can choose 25. Okay, fine. And this part is okay. And here for team member we can choose 50%, and this size we can choose 50%, and here we can choose 50%, and this column 50%. Okay, that's nice. And here I think we can choose this column 100, and this column, that's nice. Click on update. So our home page is perfectly done. If you preview changes, okay, everything perfect, yes. So nothing changed in home page, or remains same. Then we can go to our departments page. Responsive mode, tablet, this is okay, and mobile version, that's also okay. So department, okay, perfect. And for last page we can choose our contact page. Go to responsive mode, tablet, and here we can increase size like 40%, and here this column we can choose 60%. I think that's perfect. Go to mobile part, and mobile is okay. So we can say our site is responsive for all devices and everything is perfect. If you click on contact page, yes, it's same in desktop, not affect anything. Doctor space, okay, same. And okay, one page remaining. So this is our doctor space. Edit with Elementor. Responsive mode, then tablet, I think that's okay, and mobile device, that's perfect. So our site is perfectly done and responsive for all devices, especially tablet and mobile device, and hopefully you will like it and enjoy it. If you like, please share, subscribe, and please share to others, and keep in touch. Very soon I will release another new video and with new topic. So please stay with me. Thank you very much for watching.